Gandhi is Lord Shiva. He was able to find merit in everybody. He never found the defects of others. An ideal leader is one who encourages. Two types of interview. I have studied Othello. When a boy comes for the post of a lecturer in English, I shall ask him questions only in Othello because I know Othello only. Have you studied Othello? No, sir. What for is your education? What for is your make it out fellow? That is the interview I conduct. Another interview. When he comes for the post of a lecturer, my dear young boy, what is your interest? English literature, sir. In English literature, whom do you like most? Shakespeare, sir. In Shakespeare, whom do you like most? Othello, sir. In Othello drama, what do you like most? Desdemona, sir. In Desdemona, what is it that... This is how you conduct a decent interview to measure his knowledge, not to measure his ignorance. Bhrigu is a person to measure the ignorance. Shiva is a person to measure the one's merit. Mahatma Gandhi is a person who is very positive in his approach. He is a true follower of Swami Vivekananda. There is nothing negative in the life of Swami Vivekananda, as Rabindranath Tagore puts it. There is everything positive, nothing negative in the whole life of Swami Vivekananda. When he finds a glass which is half empty, a pessimist would say it is half empty. An optimist would say it is half full. But do you know what Swami Vivekananda does? He takes that tumbler, goes to the tap, makes it full and keeps it there. That should be the quality of a leader. When you find the deficiency, make it full and offer it to the society. In the true spirit of Swami Vivekananda's positive activity, Mahatma Gandhi has become the leader. Now, my dear friends, I have put a few qualities here of an ideal leader for the benefit of the young boys. On this side, I have put a boss. On the other side, I have put a leader. I'll just read them. They are all self-explanatory. A boss imposes and terrorizes. Do you want to be a boss? You hate a boss. Where a leader inspires and endears. A boss dictates and threatens, if you don't do it, I shall dismiss you, get out, I will give you TC, get out. That's how a boss says. A leader says, he guides and helps. He does not threaten. A boss compels with authority. I am the principal, do it. I am the president, do it. I am the correspondent, do it. I am the president of India, do it. I am the police officer, do it. That is a boss. Whereas a leader sits quiet, convinces, with affection and with reason. My dear young boy, what is wrong with you? What's wrong with me? Why is it we are unable to understand each other? With all affection, like a mother, like a good teacher, like a good father, he sits, convinces with affection and reason. And a boss is a wonderful quality. Like me, speaking, not allowing you to talk at all. That's a boss. I go on talking for 1.5 hours. I won't give you time to talk at all. That is a boss. Whereas a leader listens and he does what? Practices his principles. Whatever anybody says, go on listening. Don't discourage them. That is a leader. And then you find, if there is a debate, especially boys and girls, you dominate the debate, you silence others. Whereas a good leader participates in the debate, never dominates. A boss is of personal self-love. I must be projected. The camera should be always on my face, not on the heroine. I must be the hero. I must occupy the whole stage. That is a boss. Whereas a leader is a loving personality. He wants others to be projected, others to come to the limelight. He stays behind always. Sri Krishna is a kingmaker, never a king. Sri Rama has embraced Guha. Sri Rama has embraced the other wonderful poor person, Kuchela. And that is a leader. And next you find demands respect because is cut. Enough, get out. Cut, rough. Speech will be horrible, very harsh in expression, very discourteous. That's a boss. Get out, come in, sit down. This is the tone of a boss. Whereas, please come in. Do it. Boss says, let's do it. Leader says, do it. Boss, let's do it. A leader. And then, 9th, vindictive. I appear to listen to your words. Suppose you don't agree with me. Tomorrow, I shall dismiss you. That student in my classroom, she stood up and asked a question which I could not answer. Therefore, I would go to the principal, sir, that boy is useless, that girl is useless, they are misbehaving. You try to see that they are sent out of our college. Somehow I shall see that you are removed because you are a nuisance to me. That is vindictive attitude. Whereas a leader, accommodative. Yes, you are very helpful to me. By raising that question, I was able to go to the library, equip myself much better. You are really a helper. I accommodate you. Vindictive nature is that of a boss. Accommodative is that of a leader. Does not allow anybody to go whatever shop. A rich man, if one lecturer is promising, I won't allow, because tomorrow he will come and occupy my throne. Therefore, politicians will never allow others to become large, big. They won't allow them to grow. Whereas Mahatma Gandhi is a wonderful gentleman. He allows Gokhale, Tilak, Subhash, so many people, allows others, everybody to grow. This is the 10th quality. And now you find the 11th one. Suspicious is a boss. I always suspect everybody. I doubt this fellow is trying to become the chief minister. He is trying to incur, he is trying to be in the good books of the supreme command. Tomorrow I may be pulled down. So I suspect everybody believes the followers, the leader. Selfish with an axe to grind. What profit do I get? What benefit do I get? How much money do I get? That's a boss. Unselfish with a helping hand is the leader. Assertive, persuasive. I do get the things done, I persuade you with all convincing arguments. That's a leader. A boss enslaves, eclipses and belittles all the presence of all other people. I insult you. Whereas a leader embraces, ennobles and elevates everybody. 15. Finds only faults, Bhrigu Maharshi. Sees only the merit, Lord Shiva. Negative in approach is a boss. Positive in every pursuit is a leader. Seeks privacy and has a secrecy, a boss. He will have a private room, private chamber. You cannot have access to him. You cannot talk to him without an appointment. Whereas a leader, transparent, open, no privacy, no secrecy. For your information, in the modern terminology, secrecy is a sin. Secrecy is a sin. Secrecy is a sin. And next, mad after privileges. When I come, somebody should come and open the door. All our IAS officers are trained. Do you know in what? In opening the doors of the ministers. Bosses. Mad after privileges. And then a leader shuns all special treatment. Mahatma Gandhi walked. When Jinnah sent the court to Gandhi to attend the meeting, Mahatma Gandhi said,